Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making empanadas, and that is pretty much a very common recipe here in Costa Rica. We like to fill it with a variety of things. That can be gallo pinto, chicken, cheese, yucca, carne, pretty much anything you feel like putting in and think it will work, it'll probably work. And today I'm going to be making them a little bit special, but I'm not going to show you what I'm going to do until the very end of the video. So let's get started. Our mixture, and now we're going to start mixing with our hands. Okay, to make the empanadas, I use a tortilla maker. But you can pretty much use anything that will smush the dough into a flat sheet, which could be like 2 plates, 2 cutting boards, anything you really have that you can put weight onto and make it thin enough. Next important thing, plastic. What I've done here is I just cut out 2 little circles and a very large extra piece from a plastic bag. Because if you don't have this, it's pretty much just, the dough is just gonna get everywhere. So this is pretty important. So what I'll do is I'll just put this in between here, like that, and then put the dough here and smush, and then put my filling and seal them up. I'm gonna put my oil into the pot now and get that to heat up while we're prepping our empanadas. You want a fair bit just so you can coat all the sides. Well guys, that's it. We've got our empanadas. We've made quite a few here. So this recipe made about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus a gigantic one. So 7.5, let's say. You're probably wondering what this one is. So this is actually called an empanada arreglada. And that means it's stuffed with all these goodies. So basically what I've put here is white cabbage, shredded pretty finely, and then I've just put ketchup and mayonnaise over top, and it's gonna be so good. I actually don't even have a fork and a knife to eat this. Should I just go in? I'm just gonna go in. Let's take a big bite of this monster. Oof. I feel like I'm covered in food. So, this was the one with the gallo pinto, and there's just enough. I haven't hit the cheese yet, but I think I'll probably wait because this is like the messiest food in the world. Maybe get a fork and knife. But it's super delicious, not healthy, and Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions or suggestions for food recipes or anything, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I've started a Patreon page if you guys so wish to support me in a different way. Basically, what I'm going to be including on that page is some more behind the scenes content and some content that cannot be seen on my YouTube channel or my social media pages. So I'll put the link up here in the corner somewhere and you guys can go and check that out. Anyways, thanks so much guys, and I'll see you next time.
Si rico y sabroso tú quieres probar, una rica empanada tú tienes que saborear. Aquí está mi amiga y la quiere disfrutar. Tome, 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 tome la sabrosa. Tómala, tómala, tómala. Aquí está.